Hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out our videos like this. So as you can see, Bitcoin has now actually broken through the 30k area, and it's actually been the first time since, I don't know, roughly almost a year na nga. Kasi the last time na Bitcoin went around this area was around last June 2022, which is almost a year ago na nga. So if let's say you bought Bitcoin last year, tapos hindi mo siya binenta kasi let's say may tiwala ka pa sa crypto market, you would actually notice na yung pinasok mong pera last year would actually still be the same ngayon. So in reality, wala ka talaga naging loss if hindi mo siya talaga binenta. So yun yung power of hodling. But yeah, that's a video for another, that's a story for another video. So we're going to discuss that in a separate video. But for tonight, let's discuss dito kay Bitcoin price action from our previous analysis. Kasi 'di ba, sa ating previous analysis, which was before the Holy Week break, we were discussing this very long consolidation dito kay Bitcoin within the 26k up until the 28k, and yung mga scenarios na kailangan natin tingnan. And right now kasi, Bitcoin has actually started breaking this resistance na binabanggit natin for the past few days. So right now, we're going to give you an update with that latest Bitcoin price actions. With that being said, let's give you a quick update, and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So, di ba sa ating previous analysis, what we are monitoring was this pump and dump movement within the 26 up until the 28k. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, may dalawang scenario tayo na titingnan dyan. If magkaroon tayo ng breakout dito with buy volume, then we are going to target the next area, which is yung ating Fibonacci retracement tool na ginamit sa previous video. But if wala tayong nakitang buy volume, at if wala namang breakout, if lalo nag-consolidate tayo dyan, then what we are going to watch out is this support area if magkakaroon ng breakout dyan. But rather, what we saw recently is this breakout na color green above this 30k. And as you can see, we broke above the 28k area dito right now. So that is indicating now we are actually breaking up. And we are actually now heading to the next target dito with the Bitcoin price action. But we only have one problem dito, and that is the volume dito kay Bitcoin price action. Kasi if you're going to look at the volume, hindi significant yung ating buy volume dito with the Bitcoin price action. And as we all know, if wala masyadong buy volume, that can either more likely lead into consolidation or into a fake out. So, in this case, maganda ba humabol sa Bitcoin ngayon? I don't think so. Kasi if you're going to look at this, kasi if you're going to look at our buy volume, medyo kuyong yung ating buy volume. So, yeah, typically, if wala masyadong buy volume, well, konti lang yung bumibili ng Bitcoin ngayon. So, in that case, that can lead into fake out or magko-consolidate lang siya. So, in this case, if let's say wala ka pang Bitcoin, I don't think na it's the best time to catch up ngayon. Hindi maganda humabol ngayon. Siguro what you can do is just dollar cost average and buying. And if I were you, I would just wait for another dip na lang to the downside. In this case, ang ginawa ko lang is, meron akong Bitcoin na talaga noon pa, and binili ko lang ng konti pa, nagdagdag lang ng konti Bitcoin. Pero yung the rest of my buy orders na aking inaabangan talaga is actually nakaabang pa around the 24k. So, right now, bumili ako ng konting Bitcoin lang, but it's not that much actually. So, kung gusto mo talaga bumili ng maraming Bitcoin, I suggest yung area na titingnan mo is around the 24k area. Para if ever let's say nagkaroon tayo ng massive dip, then doon tayo mag-enter dito with the Bitcoin price action. Pero as you can see right now, masyado tayong mataas dito and konti lang yung buyer. So in this case, hindi pa ako bumibili ng talagang malaki yung Bitcoin for the time being. So in that case, we're just going to wait this one out. Pero in case, if let's say you are a short-term trader, then ano ba yung nakikita natin for the short term? So as you can see right now, we are actually breaking to the upside, and siguro what you can actually watch out dito is this 4-hour time frame. Kasi if you're going to look at this, there are people saying that we are actually forming this ascending triangle, and now people are saying that we are actually breaking out from this ascending triangle breakout. So in this case, if this is an ascending triangle breakout, then what we are going to do is just we're going to get the height of this, then lagyan natin siya sa possible point of breakout. Then in that case, our next target dito is around the 30.8k dito with the Bitcoin price action. So in this case, our next target for the time being dito kay Bitcoin for the very short term is the 30.8k US dollars. So that is roughly around ilang percent move siya. That's around 7.5%. And yeah, 7.5% if let's say you are going to trade it as spot wallet. Pero if let's say you are in a long position sa BYBIT, if you're going to use our BYBIT sign up link and you are going to open with a long position, and let's say you use 10x, yung inyong 7.5% na trade, tapos if let's say you use around 10x leverage yung inyong position, that would actually equivalent to 75% already na move, and that would actually equivalent to 75% profit na kagad if let's say you are going to use long position kay BYBIT. So let's say wala pa account with BYBIT, make sure to use my sign up link. You can find that guys in the description down below. And you can also check our tutorial video on how to open a long position. It's available guys in the description down below. But yeah, yun yung nakikita natin dito for the Bitcoin price action for the short term, 30.8k. And yeah, but for the long-term investment, ano ba yung mga long-term trades na pwede natin tingnan dito for the Bitcoin price action? So as you can see, if you're going to open a Fibonacci retracement from the previous all-time high to the current low, you can actually see na we are trying to break this 28k resistance, which is nakita natin siya ng break, but the problem is, diba, sabi ko nga, konti lang by volume. So in this case, I'm expecting for Bitcoin to consolidate above 28,000 and within the 31,000 US dollar area. So I think, kasi look at this, 31k is actually the resistance area right now, the next resistance, and 28k is the current support area. So in this case, Bitcoin would more likely actually consolidate within the 28k and 31k for the time being. So in that case, it's not actually too late right now for the whole crypto market. If let's say gusto mo pa humabol, then what I would suggest is for you to wait for the Bitcoin price to fall within 28k or 24k. So if let's say bumagsak siya ng 28k or 24k, then dun ulit maganda mag-re-enter. Pero right now, Bitcoin is at 30k. Medyo huli na siya if let's say hahabol ka. So yeah, the best thing for you to do right now is to actually just to wait this one out before entering into a new trade. Kasi yun nga, huli na nga siya. But anyway, as you can see, yun yung nakikita natin for the time being. And tomorrow, I'll actually show you an update dito sa ating MACD indicator. Kasi right now, we are forming another very good movement within our MACD within the monthly time frame. But yeah, yung itong MACD indicator na to, I'll save this topic for tomorrow's video. So yeah, yun muna for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.